welcome to our pizza competition. In this video, we will be teaching you how to make pizza, and at the same time, we will be having a pizza competition with Denise and Chito against Leslie and I. The ingredients we will use is flour, sugar, oil, pepperoni, sauce, pineapple, cheese, and yeast. We mixed yeast, warm water, and sugar. First, we added flour and put a dent in the center and added 1 tablespoon of sugar and half a tablespoon of salt in the center. Then we added oil, 2 tablespoons of oil. After only 7 minutes, the yeast began to rise. Then we added extra yeast in here to make sure the pizza rises appropriately. Now we mix it all together. We are now checking in with the competition. How are you feeling, Cheats?
Not that good.
Okay. Denise? We are now mixing all of the ingredients together and adding water slowly. We are now checking in with the competition. How are you guys feeling?
Good. I mean, we
Better
are
know
very
that your pizza sucks.
¿Les gustó la pizza?
Sí, está muy buena.
Ok. ¿El de quién les gustó más?
El de ustedes.
Creemos que hubo un empate porque las dos tenían un sabor único.
Wow! Yeast fermentation counts as fungal fermentation. Yeast needs sugar to break down into pyruvic acid. Then fermentation occurs and the pyruvic acid is produced into ethanol, also known as alcohol, and carbon dioxide, which is what causes the bread to rise. In order for this fermentation to occur, the temperature must be between 10 degrees Celsius and 15 degrees Celsius. Usually, yeast decide to ferment in order to produce alcohol to kill bacteria. So clearly we won, but that's besides the point. Thank you for watching.